Hello, Khushamadid, Dhanyavad, Ni hao, Marhaba, Swadiha. Welcome to the Asian Recipes app, where you can find thousands of Asian recipes, delicious, very tasty, in one single application. So it's very easy app. You just need to download the app, just launch the app. You can click on the icon and you can browse from thousands of recipes, or you can just click on any of the recipe and you can see the recipe, the ingredients. It's all very easy, it's all very simple. Just follow the steps and your delicious cuisine is ready in few minutes. So not only this, you can just search for anything like beef, chicken, or whatever. You will try. If you write beef, you will see thousands of beef recipes. Just click on any of them, and again you can see the ingredients, the recipes, and just follow it, and you will enjoy. If you like this app, you can rate it, or you can write us the comments. You can request any recipe or whatever you like, and you can also share this to your friends. So enjoy using this app, cook beautiful, nice, delicious foods, and enjoy once again.